morning. Today is Thursday, and we have a math test, and it's a fun test, but you're going to have to use your little brain. Oh, love thinking test, don't you? Make you feel so smart. Well, here's our test for today. It's page 303 and 304. Are you ready to think? Okay, turn your brain on. Let's start on this side, okay? Let's start this part right down here. Get that out of the way, and then we can have fun, okay? So let's do A. You ready? A. 14 take away 8. B. 3 plus 8. C. 17 take away 8. D. 11 take away 8. That was D. E. 7 plus 8. And F. 4 plus 8. Okay, you got them? All right. A. 14 take away 8. B. 3 plus 8. C. 17 take away 8. D. 11 take away 8. E. 7 plus 8. And F. 4 plus 8. Okay, you ready? Cool. Now for the fun to begin. We're going to start on this side of the paper. We have a square. And what we want to find out today is how big is what we call the perimeter. Okay? We want to measure the area all the way around our square. We call that perimeter. Peri means to walk around. It does. Peri, that's what that part means. Perimeter. Okay, our word is perimeter. Okay? The peri part means to walk around. Meter means to measure. So the perimeter is if you walk around, how big is it? Okay? So what we do is I have my ruler here. Here's my ruler. This is a square, right? This is a square. So that means every side will be the same, right? Now, if I have my happy little ruler here, I'm going to measure mine in inches, okay? So, if I measure this, it says that is 8 inches. This side is 8 inches. Now, if this is a square, and this side is 8 inches, how many inches is this? It's a square, right? This side's going to be 8 too. If this is 8 and that's 8, right? Because they look the same, right? Mm-hmm. Well, if this is a square, if this is 8, how big is this side? That side is also 8, isn't it? And then if this side is 8, look at this side. This side is also 8, right? Because what makes a square a square? All 4 sides are the same, and the corners, we call them square corners. Square corners, and the sides are all the same, right? We have a special name for these. We call them right angles. A right angle. We call, okay? That's the scientific name. Yeah. But we don't need that right now. It's kind of, we call that a square corner, okay? So a square has all sides the same. So now, on your paper, you're going to measure this square here on your paper. And you're going to put all the sides to find, so if we were to measure this, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, what do we have to do? We have to add them. 8 and 8 is 16, right? 8 and 8 is 16, right? Right? 8 and 8 is 16, 8 and 8 is 16. Okay, we add them together. 6 and 6 is what? 12. What do you do with that 1? Carry your 1, don't you? 1, 2, 3. my perimeter, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 is 32, right? 16 plus 16 is 32. Cool. You see that? Cool, huh? Math is so much fun. You're going to like, third grade is when you really start to get fun stuff. But you have to learn all your summas and stuff first, okay? But we'll start, okay? Cool. We call this geometry. Anyway, back to your stuff. So what are you going to do? You're going to measure this, and what does it say? In centimeters. I measured mine in inches, because I have a different one. I wanted to make it big so you can see. Okay? You're going to measure yours in centimeters. Add them together to find out what is your perimeter. Okay? Now, let's look at the orange juice glass. Okay? Here's the directions. They say we have 2 glasses of orange juice. One is filled, and one is only 1/3 of the way. One of them only has 1/3. Which one of these glasses is 1/3 of the way filled? Over here, we have some fractions, okay? We have some fractions. The first one is okay? And we want to know which of these is bigger. Time to think. Okay, now remember, the number on the bottom tells how many pieces you chop it into, right? Okay, so if you have two pizzas, we have a pepperoni pizza and a chorizo pizza. Okay? I want the chorizo. And the chorizo pizza is cut in thirds. The pepperoni pizza is cut in fourths. Which one of these will have the bigger piece? Which piece is bigger? Which piece is bigger? You put your arrow in to show which is the bigger piece. Is it the pepperoni? Oh, this is the chorizo. Chorizo or pepperoni, which one is bigger? Chorizo is divided into thirds, pepperoni is divided into fourths. Which one will you get the bigger piece? Okay? The other one down below, same thing. 1/2 and, oops, sorry, 1/4 and 1/2. Okay, now, I have a chocolate cake. I have a chocolate cake and a tres leches cake. Tres leches, chocolate. Okay, and this is not a box chocolate. This is the chocolate cake that I make that is so good you want to eat the whole thing all at once. Tres leches, chocolate cake. Okay? The tres leches is divided into fourths. The chocolate cake is divided into half. Which one of these will you get a bigger piece? Which one has the bigger pieces? The one that's divided into fourths or the one that's divided into half? Okay? Which cake do you want? I know which cake I want. Do you want the one that's divided into 1/4, which has a bigger piece? 1/4 or 1/2? Okay? Okay. Down here, number 5, we have a story problem. You ready? Listening? Okay. It says Tina. Okay, they have these cards here. It says Tina answered 6. She got 6 right. But I'm sorry, Tanya. Sorry, I read it wrong. Tanya got 6 right. Her sister Tina only got 5. Okay? How many did they get all together? Tanya got 6 cards right. Tina got 5 cards right. How many cards did they get right all together? 6 cards and 5 cards, okay? Okay, now the next one, you got that one? Now the next one, Alex. Alex had, how many did he have? Alex had 11 dimes. 11. What does 11 look like? Okay. Alex had 11 dimes, right? Okay, 11. But he went to the store and he spent 4 of them, okay? He bought some chicle and it cost him 4 dimes. He had 11 and he went to the store and he spent 4 of them. How many does he have left over? Had 11, spent 4. How many left? Okay? Other side. You ready? You can do that. Okay, here you go. Here's your money. 25, 10, 5, 1, 1, 1, right? Okay. Easy enough, right? Okay. 25, 10, and 10. 25, 10, 5, and 1, okay? This part down here, see what you need to put in there? You can do that. Down here, you need tally marks. Boop, 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 right? Okay. This part here, it says, color 1/2 of the marbles. Color 1/2. You don't have to make it fancy. I don't care. Now, if you really want to, but no, you can just, color them like that. Doesn't have to be pretty, okay? Color 1/2 of them. 1/2 gets colored. 1/2 does not get colored, okay? You got it? Okay. So, if you have questions, just rewind and listen and use your brain, right? Okay, have fun. Good luck.